For a quick weeknight dinner, stir fry up some fresh Asian-style noodles and shredded cabbage. You can use lo mein, fresh egg noodles, or fresh yakisoba. Put out all the ingredients so you're ready to stir fry, and bring a medium-sized saucepan of water to a boil. I'm just going to cook them enough so that they come apart and they're kind of cooked al dente, and you just kind of pull them apart. And I want to put in about a tablespoon of peanut oil, and I want to bring that up to the smoke point. So I have about 4.5 cups of shredded green cabbage, and you could use Napa cabbage if you prefer. Rather than stir frying right away, I'm just going to let it get a little bit crisp on the bottom. Okay, the stir fry is kicking in. I like cabbage so much, I could just eat the stir-fried cabbage just by itself with a little hot sauce. But with the noodles, it's going to be better. All right. A little bit more oil. And here I've got 4 ounces of sliced mushrooms, a couple of green onions, and 2 large cloves of garlic minced. In it goes. A little more oil. So here comes the noodles. I've got a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Asian sesame oil, that's the roasted dark sesame oil, and a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Hot sauce. I want to give the noodles a little perkiness. And in goes the cabbage, the mushrooms, I call that a great Tuesday night dinner.